Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing good. So today I came up with a lesson of teaching some more digraphs, that is WH, PH and QA. So let us learn its sound and its words. Let's start. Now Filza, you're going to learn about the 3 digraphs today. Yeah, you know digraphs. What are digraphs? Digraphs are nothing but when 2 letters combine together and make one sound. It's called as a digraph. Okay, that's good. So that in the last videos we have learned about the SH, CH and TH sound. Yeah. So today you're going to learn some more digraph. Let's start with WH sound. Okay. What is the sound of W? V, say loudly. And the sound of H? H. But here WH makes the sound as W. The sound of WH is W. Very good. It makes one sound as W. Say, what is the sound of WH? W. Very good. Now here, what is the sound of WH? What is the sound of WH? V. What is the sound of AE? A. And the sound of L? So WHALE? Whale. Very good. Yeah. Now tell me, what is the sound of WH here? Very good. What is the sound of EE? And the sound of L? So WHEEL? Wheel. Very good. Wheel. What is the sound of WH? W. What is the sound of EA? And the sound of T? So WHEAT? Very good. What is the sound of WH? W. What is the sound of IS? IS? Is. WHIS? Whiz. And the sound of K? So WHISK? Whisk. Whisk. What is this whisk? Whisk is used for stirring or beating an egg or a batter, yes? Whisk. Yeah, very good. Now, what is the sound of WH? V. What is the sound of IS? Is. WHIS? Whisk. TLE? Till. Whistle. Here T is silent. Here T is silent in the middle. Whistle. Yes. Show me, what is that? Whistle. Yes, that is called as a whistle. How do you make a sound with the whistle, Filza? Yeah, whistle. Very good. Now next one. What is the sound of WH? V. What is the sound of IS? Is. WHIS? Whisk. KER? Cur. Whisker. Whisker. These are called as whiskers of a cat. Whisker. Next. Now what is the sound of WH? V. What is the sound of IS? What is the sound of IS? Is. WHIS? Whis. PER? Per. Whisper. What do you mean by whisper? When you say something slowly in somebody's ears, it's called whisper. Yeah, slowly. Whisper. She is whispering in her ear. Whisper. Okay, so you got the sound of WH, yeah? What is the sound of WH? Very good. Now, what you have this alphabets now? Tell me. P and H. P and H makes the sound as, no. What is the sound of P? P. The sound of H? H. But it makes one sound as F. What is the sound of F? You know the sound of F, Filza? Tell me, what is the sound of F? It makes the sound as F. Okay, now tell me. Turn the page now. Yeah. Tell me. Now tell me, what is the sound of PH? What is the sound of OE? And the sound of N? So PHONE? Phone. Say loudly. Phone. Turn the page. What is the sound of PH? F. It makes the sound as a f. The sound of O, O. Fo to your toe. Fo, toe. Photo. Next, what is the sound? What is D-O-L? What is the sound of D? What is the sound of O? What is the sound of L? L. So D-O-L. Doll. What is the sound of P-H? Dolph. I-N. In. So D-O-L-P-H-I-N.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Very good. Dolphin. Next, what is the sound of E? What is the sound of L-E? L-E. 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 What is the sound of P-H? Alif. A-N-T. Ant. Elephant. A-N. And the sound of T. Elephant.
Elephant.
Yes. Next one. Of A. What is the sound of L? L. A-L. Al. What is the sound of PH here? Very good. The sound of A. What is the sound of A? Al. B-E-T. Bet. Alpha. Bet. So how many alphabets are there in English?
4.
It's 4.
24.
24.
No.
No, it's 26, Filza.
26.
26 alphabets are there in English. From A to Z, there are 26 alphabets.
Yes.
Now turn. Now what is the sound of PH? What is the sound of PH? F. What is the sound of EA? E. Fee. S-A-N-T. Scent. Pheasant.
Pheasant.
Yeah, pheasant is a type of a bird. It's a bird. Pheasant. Now turn. Now what is the sound of AU?
A.
What is the sound of AU? O.
O.
The sound of AU is O to your toe. Auto.
Auto.
G-R-A. What is the sound of G-R-A? Gra. Gra. Autograph. And the sound of PH? Autograph. What do you mean by autograph? Yeah, you take a signature, yes? It's a signature from a celebrity or somebody that from whom you admire. Yeah? So you can give your signature to me. That's called as a signature. That's called as an autograph. Autograph. Now next we are going to learn about the QU sound. Okay, the sound of QU is like, what is the sound of Q? You know the sound of Q? Qua. What is the sound of U? Yeah, but QU here makes the sound as K and W. How will be the sound of K and W? The sound of K, K. The sound of W, W. Qua. Qua. It's a light one. Qua. Yes. Now we are going to read the words with Qua sound. Okay? Come on. Turn the page. Now tell me, what is the sound of QU? Qua. The sound of QU? Qua. The sound of EE? And the sound of N? So QUEEN? Queen. QUEEN? Queen. What is the sound of QU? Qua. What is the sound of A? QUA? Qua. And the sound of CK? K. So QUACK? Quack. Very good. How does the duck make sound? Quack. That's great. Come on, turn the page. Now, what is the sound of QU? Qua. What is the sound of IE? I. Here I is going to make the sound. Yes? When two vowels are together, the first one will make the sound I, long sound. So Q-U-I-E, quai, and the sound of T, T. So Q-U-I-E-T,
Quite.
quite. Very good. Next, turn the page. What is the sound of Q-U?
Qua.
Qua. The sound of I,
E.
E. So Q-U-I,
Qui.
qui. And the sound of Z, Z. So Q-U-I-Z,
Quiz.
quiz. Quiz is to ask question, to check the knowledge. It's called quiz. Hmm. What is the sound of Q-U?
Qua.
Qua. What is the sound of E-S? S.
S.
Quest.
Quest.
T-I-O-N. Shin. Question.
Question.
The sound of T-I-O-N will be shin. Question.
Question.
Yes, when somebody asks something and when we have to give a reason for it, that's called as a question. Yeah. So we haven't seen a word here like W-H-Y. We haven't read here the word, Filza. Show me here. What is the sound of W-H?
Question.
What is the sound of W-H? V. The sound of Y? I. When it comes at the end, it makes the sound as I. W-H-I? Y. Yes. When somebody asks a question with you and when you have to give a reason for it, then it's a Y.
Why?
Yes. Why are you talking? Why are you laughing? Why are you making a noise? You need to give a reason for it. Why are you late today? So that means you need to give a reason for it. So that's called, that's the question. Why? I'm using a why. It's a question word. Why? Now here Q-U-E-S-T-I-O.
Question.
Question. Yes. Next one. What is the sound of Q-U?
Qua.
Qua. What is the sound of I?
E.
E. Q-U-I.
Qui.
And the sound of C-K? K. K. So Q-U-I-C-K. Quick.
Quick.
Quick. Quick yani to make fast.
Yeah.
Yes, quick. Very fast. Quick. Do it quickly. Write it quickly.
Yeah.
Yes. What is the sound of Q-U?
Qua.
Qua. What is the sound of I?
E.
What is the sound of L?
E.
Q-U-I-L. Quill. And the sound of T? T. So Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Yes, quilt. What do you say? Quilt. Quilt is nothing but a bed covering made up of layers of fabric. You will see a different patterns in it, yeah? It's a bed covering made up of fabric.
Yeah.
Okay? Quilt. Next one, what you have? What is the sound of Q-U?
Qua.
Qua. What is the sound of I?
E.
E. And the sound of L-L? L. So Q-U-I-L-L?
Quill.
Quill. Quill is nothing but it's a feather from a tail of a bird.
This
It's
quill.
called as quill. Yeah, this is called as a quill. You will have different colors of quills. It's a bird's feather. Yeah?
Yeah, bird.
Yeah, that's called as a quill. So this is how I made a one book to teach her some 3 different digraphs. And I think you can even draw it with your hands as there are very simple figures, pictures here, and make it more neatly, I guess, in order to make the learning easy. So that's the end of today's lesson. Hope you like it, and if you have learned at least a single thing out of this lesson, please do like and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I'll surely come up with more such learning videos to make your kids learn easily. So keep watching and take care. Goodbye.